How you doing, everybody? Back here at Larry TV. We got fish dinner tonight, and I'm gonna also do a chicken with it. My daughter doesn't like fish, so I have to do two separate dinners tonight. All right, so I'm gonna do chicken and fettuccine, shrimp fettuccine. For her, it's gonna be, it's fish and shrimp fettuccine. For her, it's chicken and fettuccine with broccoli. So this is what you're gonna need. A pot of water, butter and oil in it for the noodles. I'm gonna do broccoli with ours. I pre-cooked the shrimp already. Garlic butter shrimp. I had to pre-cook the chicken because I'm doing multiple meals here. Alrighty, so if you're just gonna do just the chicken, this is a quick and basic recipe. It's really quick and it's a fabulous meal. Y'all are gonna love it. So the first thing you're gonna start off with, here's your ingredients. You're gonna need a mango salsa. You can get this at Publix or Walmart in your vegetable section. It looks like this. Sweet heat mango peach salsa. A little bit of cayenne pepper, onion powder, white and black pepper, and a complete seasoning. Now what I do, cut that off, is I take the stir-fry pepper. Quick and easy. You can cut up your own peppers if you want. It's up to you. This is for someone quick and easy to do. If you're in a rush or you got a lot going on. Now what I do is I start off with the peppers and the onions. Gonna put an even layer on the bottom of your pan. I'm gonna place my chicken on top of the sweet peppers. Now I use I like to use Dolphin My. I like the flavor of the fish. It's a much better, just comes out better this way. You can use whatever fish you want. This is what I use. Now you can get the fish and fresh if you want, but I'm on the go. I got a lot going on, so this recipe calls for quick cooking. So I don't have to chop anything. I used my stir-fry pepper. That went down first. Now I put my the meat that I'm using on top. I preheat my oven to 400 degrees. Throw in my fettuccine noodles. Water's boiling. Alright, so now I'm going to season. A complete seasoning over the top. Don't want to go too crazy. Your white and black pepper. A little sprinkle of that. Your onion powder. Coat that. And you don't want to go too heavy with your cayenne. You just want a little sprinkle to add just a little heat, a little flavor. Now this is optional for you. You don't have to do the hot pepper. Some people cannot tolerate any heat at all. So that's up to you if you want to do that. You give this a little mix up. Usually I preheat all this stuff for y'all, or pre-cook all this stuff for y'all, so it's already done when I get to this point. But I thought I'd go ahead and show the whole cook down for y'all. So I'm going to mix that up. And now the water's got oil and butter in it, olive oil. You want to kind of coat your noodles, make sure your noodles are not going to stick together and clump up. So you kind of mix that around a little bit. My broccoli, I added butter and seasoning. Of course, that was pre-cooked in butter. Alrighty, now I'm going to cover this up. And that's pretty much it for this for now. You put your vegetables down, your meat on top. Now you're going to cover it up. My oven is preheated. Now, since the chicken's already been cooked, I just need to cook the vegetables so it doesn't have to go as long as the fish. Now, fish you want to cook for about 40 minutes. Make sure it's got a nice seal on it. You want that heat to stay inside. Okay. Now we're going to toss it in here. I'm going to set my timer. Cook time. $40 minutes. Okay, and now I'm just going to let it sit for 40 minutes, and once we get to the 40 minutes, we'll get back with you and we'll finish up the recipe. All right, we're back for round 2. Okay, enough goofing around. All right, so now we're gonna pull them out. Stuff's hot. Be careful you don't burn yourself. All right, let's see what happened here. I'm worried about this chicken because it was already pre-cooked. I might have left it in too long. Let the heat out of that one fast. Alright. Looking good, looking good. Okay, now while my stuff was cooking in the oven, I went ahead and threw in my Parmesan or my fettuccine cheese. That's ready to go. Take a look at this fish. Okay. Now that's how it should look. The next step, you go for your mango salsa. Mix it up. I'm going to put some nice heaping scoops right on top of that. Might as well use it all up. Alright. Good to go. Alright, now you toss it back in just for a couple minutes. I put it on broil high. I just want the top burner to warm up that mango salsa, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna warm up everything else and then put it on the plate and finish up the video. Get back to you in a few minutes. Thank you. Alright, so we're finished. Here's your 2 dishes. You got your shrimp fettuccine alfredo and your mango salsa mahi mahi with a side of broccoli. And here you got your chicken mango salsa fettuccine and a side of broccoli. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be doing some more of these. I got another fish video down the road. I got a few more other videos coming up. I'll have to see what we're going to do next, but I hope you enjoy it. Shout out to the Martian Revelation Reveal Show, Packing 'em and Smoking 'em guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and see you next time on Larry TV. Thank you.